Someone decided to puke in the sink and clog the drain. We got left with this after all the renters left. So what we're gonna do is use this Green Gobbler product. And we saw this and it has a guarantee. It says if it'll work or your money back. So we're like, cool, let's try this. And so basically it all comes in packets, and we're just gonna go ahead and open. For a regular clog, you can use 1 packet, and for a really bad clog, it says use 2 and let it sit overnight. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so this comes with, holy camole, that is a lot of stuff there. They're way bigger than what I thought. So there's only 3 packets in here. So there's no pre-measuring. You just go ahead and tear it open, pour it in. And then they said, make sure that there's no residue of this on the surrounding hardware. So we're gonna pour in some hot water after this. All right, cut the pack. Now I'll just go ahead and pour it. All right, that's one. And here's the second one. Okay, now it said follow it with hot water, get off any of the residue that's around it. Oh, it's fizzing. Nice. Well, it's doing what it's supposed to do, I guess. We'll see if that goes down. It said just enough to get off the residue, but then as it's foaming up here, I'm not sure if that's going to mess with the sink or not, but we'll see what happens. We'll just let that go. It says it'll do grease, hair, hard water, scum, cooking oil, soap scum, paper, and organic matter. So that's going to basically cover everything. So we'll wait till overnight and we'll see what happens in the long run. All right, we let this work for more than 24 hours, so let's give it a try. It drained the first time. All right, well that looks like that was a trick. That's remarkable. Gotta say, this stuff, I had my doubts, but because it came with a guarantee, money back guarantee, I thought we'd try it, and I'm not disappointed at all. Look at that, it is totally working. And that sink was completely jammed. That's a winner. Pretty impressed. Totally shocked. I actually was skeptical when I first got this. This is one of those surprises when you buy something off the shelf. I figured it was low risk because it had a guarantee, but man, good stuff. Green Gobbler, we've got a link in our description below. We're Amazon affiliates. It sticks to the walls of the pipe and sticks to the clog and dissolves it, breaks it down and dissolves it. Hope this video helps. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time.